Dan here with Triad RV Parts, and I want to spotlight a product that is this control board. It's plug and play, and it is used to repair a lower assembly for a Coleman heat cool air conditioner. Now I'm going to leave pricing out of this video because with inflation, this video would be obsolete by this afternoon. But this control board is about 70% the cost of a brand new lower assembly. And you could say, why is it that you'd want to spend that kind of money when you can buy a whole new lower assembly? And the reason is, and you're about to learn something very interesting about the Coleman or Air XL's part numbers. The first generation of a part usually starts with 4 digits and then a dash in either 3 or 4. And then when there is a next generation or an improvement to that product, the dash goes away and then it turns into A. And then there's a next generation and it turns into B. So in conclusion, if the Bluetooth part of your lower assembly is not working and you're having to manually go up and push the buttons, this could be the product that would solve that scenario. And like everybody else, I'm begging for likes and follows, and comments are always welcome. Thank you for taking time to watch our video.